In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add a vignette effect in Kinemaster. So I'm not sure how you pronounce it, I'll just go with that. Make sure to roast me in the comments if that's not how you pronounce it. Anyway, let's get started. So to start this off, I actually opened up a clip in my timeline. You want to do that as well. Next up, all you need to do is basically select the clip. You can then scroll down. So you'll find all of these different features right away when you click on your clip. And you'll find clip graphics, speed, reverse, rotate, color filter. And then if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find the vignette effect right there. All you need to do is click right there to enable it. And there you go. So that's how you can do this. It's that easy. So as you can see right there, it actually adds the effect. So if this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below as well if you would like to see more about this video editing software, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.